Transportation and travel tickets. Istanbul is served by Istanbul Airport located on the European side and Istanbul Sabiha Gökçen Airport located on the Asian side. Both are approximately 35 kilometers away from the city center. Istanbul Airport, one of the busiest in the world, offers many options to reach the city center. From the well-organized official website, you can find all parking areas, destinations, and updated prices for all available buses of the Havast and IETT lines. The Istanbul Airport metro station is located right in front of the airport. The M11 line provides a convenient solution to reach tourist areas such as Taksim, Sultanahmet, and Eminönü, thanks to its intersection with M2 line at the newly built Garatep station. In a moment, I'll explain how and which tickets to purchase. In the airport, as throughout Istanbul, you will find 3 types of taxis easily distinguished by color. Istanbul taxi prices are generally considered affordable by international standards. Alternatively, you can use the Bataksi, Uber, and 6T apps. If you land at Istanbul Sabiha Gökçen Airport, you will have fewer options for public buses, which can be checked on the official website, but you will also have the support of the Havabus shuttle service with directions to Taksim, Kadıköy, and Yenisara. From this airport as well, you will have easy access to the subway. Through the M4 line, you can reach the Asian end of Istanbul, namely the last stop at Kadıköy. In addition to the numerous buses, the transportation service in Istanbul consists of 11 metro lines, 2 cable cars, 5 tram lines, 4 funiculars, 2 railway lines, the special metro bus, and ferries. Although operated by different companies, you can pay for all modes of transportation with one of the following methods: Istanbul City Card, Istanbul Kart, and Pass. The Istanbul City Card, purchasable from designated blue vending machines, allows unlimited travel for 1, 3, 5, 7, or 15 days at a fixed price. The anonymous Istanbul Kart, available from numerous yellow vending machines for 70 Turkish lira, is a prepaid card that can be used by multiple people. The card is rechargeable up to a maximum of 500 Turkish lira per month and 300 Turkish lira per day. These 2 cards can also be purchased from authorized retailers at the 2 airports and almost all public service stations and stops. Passes up to 10 days can be purchased from all vending machines and allow savings compared to a single fare as per the table. Finally, thanks to the E-Pass of Istanbul or the Istanbul Tourist Pass, you can access numerous attractions for free and skip the line. I'll leave the links in the description. Ending notes.